Welcome back to the Ruck Shop's YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing the NCY CDI on your 49cc Honda Ruckus. You might be saying, well, don't you already have a video for this? We do, but we've made some adjustments. We've heard your guys' comments, we've heard your complaints about the NCY CDI. There was nothing performance-wise, it was more lack of features, I guess you would say. It's not completely plug and play, you can't use your kill switch. So we've heard that, and we've created a jumper harness for that, which you will get when you order the CDI complete from now on. If you already have a CDI, we do have an option for you to buy just the jumper harness itself. This will help you out as well. All the links for the products will be put in the description below. When you get the CDI, whether it's by itself or with our performance kits, you're going to get the CDI box, you'll get the harness, the main harness from NCY. You also get a power and ground harness. We include these bullet connectors here in case you want to wire it the old way, which goes directly to the ECU, and you would cut the ECU wire and then wire this directly to the ECU. If you don't want to go that route and you want to be completely plug and play without cutting or anything in the harness, then you're not going to use this and you won't use this. And that's what we're going to show you in today's video, how to make this a complete plug and play setup for your NCY CDI. We're going to go ahead and put it on the bike right now. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and take a Phillips head and remove the battery terminal bolt. So I've already gone ahead and loosened that up, and I'll remove that. That is going to go to your jumper harness that has the blue terminal here. So that will go right into the negative there. I'm going to leave the wires out loosely here for the video just to make it a little bit quicker for you guys. You can ultimately hide them and put them however you want. The next you're going to take is the coil harness, which is the longer harness. The blue wire is going to go into the service port, which is a blue wire with the red clip right here. Go ahead and plug that in. The 6-pin plug here is going to go directly to your red CDI box. And typically with that box, a lot of people like to tuck it in between the ECU, and you can tie it up in there. So we'll just tuck it there for the time being. Next you have the red and green port here, which is for your power. That is going to connect to the matching colors with the red and green here. Go ahead and push those in. The last one you have here, you can see is a male and female 4-pin. That's going to go to your right control connector. So that's going to be on the other side of your ECU here, which you can see has a black clip, and it comes down from your right control down through the handlebars. So what I'm just going to do is plug in these. Like so, male and the female, vice versa. And what you're going to get left in now is this long plug with the yellow and orange wire. I'm going to go ahead and move the camera so I can show you how to handle that. So the next thing you're going to want to do is remove your floorboard. This is typically 10mm screws, and you go ahead and take that off with a 10mm socket. Then you have the seat frame, which is 12mm. You go ahead and take that off. This will allow you to run these cables under the factory channel to the coil. What I'm going to do is just bypass that right now to make this a little bit easier. On your coil here you have the green, then you have a black. The black is going to be the hot to the coil, so you're going to go ahead and pull this off with the rubber sheath. You can put the orange one onto the coil where the black was, and then the yellow is going to go into the coil plug, like so. So yellow goes to the black wire, orange goes directly to the coil. You go ahead and put the coil back on underneath. I'll just put it under right here for right now. So go ahead and put the key ignition, prime it on, make sure your start button is down, grab your brake lever, just like that. You're good. You want the kill switch to work? Kill switch works. Turn ignition off. Take your key out, so no one takes your bike. And there you have it. That is the install video of the now completely plug and play, no wire splicing, no cutting wires, complete plug and play NCY CDI for your Honda Ruckus. Hope you guys like this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.